I've been in certified shops for 20 years. Every 3 years, the shops have to update their equipment because the manufacturers do different things. Processes change, technology changes, the requirements change for the technology to be used properly on the car. Recommending equipment that's going to be used just for 1 year isn't feasible. So you have to look at how the growth is going to be for the next 5 or 10 years. A lot of manufacturers have certain different models and brands that you can use, but by purchasing one or looking one that you can use over a series of different certifications, it's more beneficial to you. And Carliner has a lot broader base than most of the companies out there. The factory doesn't put these procedures in place to make your life miserable. They want to get that vehicle back on the road as quickly and efficiently as possible and still be safe for the next accident. By following those procedures, you'll find that your cycle times are going to go down. You're not having to repair things. Things aren't breaking out for you when you're taking them apart. By using the all data or the factory repair procedures and the Carliner repair procedures and repair specifics for the vehicle, you're taking all the guesswork out of it. And by taking all the guesswork out of it, you don't walk around going, oh, how am I going to take this apart? Or how does this come apart? You spend 20 minutes trying to figure out how it comes apart, and they can actually spend literally 3 minutes looking it up. Read the product directions. Don't guesswork on how that's supposed to work. Do as much training as you can on the equipment that you're using. Be proficient at it. The more proficient you're at it, the less time you spend trying to figure out how to do something. It'll go quicker and it'll go easier.